What it do, C-Fam? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video. Y'all listen, it's currently, bro, 1:51 in the morning, bro. Looking at my watch, November 26th. You know, I'm gonna show y'all, bro. You know, so as y'all can see in the back, man, my guy Arthur, bro, came all the way from Illinois, man. You know, all the way from Illinois, y'all, just to bring this car to me, man. So yeah, I'm stationed in Fort Irwin, California, man. You know, well, he picked the car up Thursday night. You know, and then yeah, so it took Thursday, well, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Now it's Tuesday, 5 a.m. So I'm sorry, Tuesday, 1:51 in the morning, man. So yeah, I'm lit, man. I'm looking at the car right now, y'all. I see it. You know, I had to put that shit on, man, for y'all boys. Got Nike thing. Shout out to my boy Dirty, man. You know, but yeah, I'm lit, y'all. I'm excited, man. This is officially my taking delivery, bro. And like I said, it's 1:50 in the morning. November 26th right now, bro. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Let's get to it. All right, so as y'all see, man, I'm looking at it right now, y'all. Sheesh, look at this boy, man. Yo, no way, man. It's crazy, bro. So yeah, bro, I'm excited, man. You know, my boy, man, I gotta get my little thumbnail too, though, man. Hold up, boy, I gotta get that thumbnail too, C-Fam. So yeah, I got my girl up there, man. So yeah, she, man, like as soon as bro texted me, bro, I was like, hey, shit. So originally, y'all, he texted me, he was on some like, well, shit, I mean, can I just come and bring it in the morning at 8 a.m. I said, whoa, in the morning at 8 a.m. I got stuff to do, C-Fam. So I'm like, hey, shit, if we come meet you right now, can you come right now? He said, oh yeah, bet. So I was like, hey, shit, might as well, dog, you know? So yeah, I'm just waiting, man, for this thing to get unloaded. Look like he got a Lexus back there. Then he got my car. Then he got, I don't know what this red car is right here, C-Fam. And then look like he got an old school Chevy. That's a Bel Air. I can't tell, C-Fam. Y'all tell me what that is, bro. I don't know what this car right here is, y'all, but yeah, let's get to it, man. I'm excited, bro. Just seeing this thing, like, obviously I seen it already, y'all, but at the same time, it's like everything was so rushed, you know, boom, get the car from CJ, boom, take thumbnails, boom, take videos with him, boom, take pictures with him, boom, do the title with him, boom, put the car on the truck, you know, so I didn't really get a chance to really see the car, and I'm still not really seeing the car because it's dark, but at the same time, man, it's a blessing, bro. It's a free Trackhawk. Not really, I put bread into it, but you know what I mean, for the most part, man. Yeah, we should be good, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all once this thing actually get off the truck, man. So y'all, look, so I actually got a funny little story to tell y'all, man. So as he's, you know, currently bringing it down right now, man, getting this car over here to California, bro, he said it was a struggle, man. So he actually got stopped, you know what I mean? I'm gonna put up like a picture right here, y'all, right? So he actually got stopped. I think he said he got stopped right before he was leaving Illinois or right whenever he was getting in Nebraska. I forgot, one of them, y'all. So he got stopped. Sent me a picture, y'all, and he said that the police kind of raided the car, right, y'all? He said, man, like he was unloading another car, right, for a client. And then what happened was, right, I guess, I don't know if it was, man, some kind of police department or whatever, undercover police, whoever it was, I don't know. They ended up raiding the car, bro, pulled up on him. Man, 12 cops, he said, like, man, dogs and all kind of stuff, y'all, was searching the car. He said that they was inspecting the car for drugs. All right, y'all, so that kind of prolonged the delivery. Initially, he was supposed to be here, man, on Monday, right? Today is Tuesday morning, kind of. Like I said, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see that a bit, whatever. It's 2 in the morning right now, y'all. So yeah, he was supposed to be here, man, yesterday, Monday, bro, initially, but ended up getting held up, man, you know, because they had searched my car for drugs. Maybe they don't see cars like this, you know what I mean, bro? So yeah, I really, for me, it was like, bro, wow, like a person just can't have nothing nice, you know what I mean, without people suspecting that, you know, like you doing something illegal to get it. You know what I mean, y'all? Like I said, I'm in the Army, bro. Man, I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't do none of that, y'all. So yeah, they ended up letting him go, right? They probably checked the tags, they probably checked who the car belonged to, and they asked him all kind of questions. They was interrogating him, he said. So yeah, they asked him everything, man, you know. So like I said, I put that picture up, bro. Y'all don't think I'm cap. I'm not trying to put that in another video and draw that out. Just want y'all to know, man, why the car took so long. So from Thursday night all the way to Tuesday, today, early morning, or whenever y'all watch this video, Tuesday the 26th at 2 a.m., man. So yeah, I'm like, hey, it is what it is. I don't care what the hell had to happen, CEEFAM, or, you know, for the car to get here. As long as that bit got here, y'all, that's all I cared about, man. And ain't no scratches, ain't no dents, ain't no scrapes, ain't no nothing like that. Yeah, so man, we got to get the car registered out here, California, which might be a grip. Like my other boys, the other Trackhawk winners, bro, them boys say, hey, boys charged me like $4,300, $4,600, or $2,800 or something. I'm in the military, y'all, so I get the tax exempt forms or whatever like that, man, in every state I go to. So hopefully it shouldn't be no more than $300-$400 to register this bit. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Oh yeah, now my boy finna start the track. See, should be a cold start, man, for sure. Should be, y'all. So just want to see that boy, man, on the sixes. Well, he ain't finna start that bit yet. He got to undo these boys first. The little ropes and all that, whatever y'all want to call them, man. Not ropes. Y'all know what I'm talking about, CEEFAM. It's 2 a.m., man. Man, like I was trying to tell y'all boys, it's 2:03. Hold up. 2:03, CEEFAM. You know what I mean? So, bro, I'm up, I'm grinding, bro. November 26th, hey, it don't matter to me. I'm out there, man. You know, shout out to my wife, man. Said she the one that was like, hey, shit, you want to go now? I said, shit, let's do it. What we talking about? You bought it, I'm bought it. Let's get to it. You know, so, man, kudos to her, man. You know, got to have a strong support system, men and women out there, bro. You know, get somebody that's going to have y'all back, man, through thick, thin, ups, downs, you hear me? So, yeah, I'm just waiting for him to start it. He in that bit. I know y'all see the tail lights on, man. So, should be a light cold start right here. Kinda. So, or maybe not. I don't know. Hold on, boy. How my boy doing? And my boy Arthur. Never mind. He's still up there messing with these little. That's all right. Man, I'm excited, bro. Yo, like, it still don't feel real, bro. It feel like, I don't even know what it feel like right now. It don't feel real though, CEEFAM. Like, man, I'm blessed, bro. Hey, thank y'all, bro, to all y'all that came over from CJ on 32's channel, bro. 32 gang, the biggest, bro. I salute y'all. Shit, I'm 32 gang too. I tune in on every video. I try to comment, I try to like, I try to subscribe. I'm subscribed to 32 gang. You know, big 32 gang ENT. Only way everybody going in life, or should be going, is up, right? So, yeah, man, thank y'all to everybody out there, bro, who tuned into the channel, bro, you know, who subscribed, right? We hit 10K because of 32 gang. You know, like I said, thank y'all to everybody who subscribed to me back in the day. Well, back in the day, who supported me, everything, man. Heavily appreciative. Appreciate everybody, man, who, man, supported me through ups, downs, thick, thin, bro. Y'all support never go unnoticed, right? So, yeah, man, I'm excited, bro. I think he got all of his little ties and all that off. So, without further ado, y'all, hopefully this should be the cold start time. So, yeah, just wanted to thank 32 gang, because, yeah, right now we at 10.4 or 10,500 subscribers, y'all. So, thank y'all, man. Prior to CJ dropping that video, or me dropping mine, I was at like 9.7, 9,700. So y'all boys done came and went crazy. 32 gang, come on, man. Big 32 gang ENT, big 32 gang. Yeah, all that, bro. So yeah, I'm heavily appreciative, man. Thank y'all so much. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all much longer, bro. Need to get that co-start in. My boy stalling, bro. Yeah, man, my boy stalling, bro. What the hell going on, my boy? Nah, I'm just playing, but yeah, I don't know. It's all good. And my boy Arthur, man, my boy. Okay. He doing the right things, man. My boy doing the right things, man. Bro, he a hustler too, man. Like I said, like he told me he was gonna drop the car off to me at 8 a.m. Like he sent me a screenshot saying, bro, I'm already here. You know, I was like, well, he was like 39 minutes out. But shit, I was like, hey, I can come to you now, my boy. And shit, by the time 8 a.m. come, you can already be in some other state. You know what I mean? Shit, you good. But yeah, y'all, this should be the cold start. Hold on, boy. Let me not talk. Man, y'all probably couldn't even hear that bit for real. What? It's tough, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna need some exhaust work, CEEFAM. Ooh, look at this boy coming down this bit. Look at this boy coming down. Yeah. Not on the sixes. See, Will on the sixes is crazy. See, Will on the sixes is crazy, boy. Man. It's tough, bro. Yeah, my boy ain't scrape or nothing, man. Big Trackhawk, big C-Will, big CEEFAM, big 32 gang. Man, big everything, bro. Big blessings, bro. Big everything, man. Sheesh, yeah. Y'all seen it, man. Fresh off the truck, you heard me? So, Arthur, man, is there any paperwork I have to sign, or is there anything I have to do for you, brother? Or okay. Okay, for sure, yeah. Definitely got to do that inspection, my boy. For sure. Got to make sure everything is everything on this boy. Yeah, I'm going to just walk around with you, my boy. Make sure nothing crazy happen. Yeah, I got you. Yes, sir, my boy. Yeah, I mean, everything looked like exactly how, you know what I mean? Gotta make sure, man, I got the stocks in there too. Yep. Let me see, 1, 2, and then I'm gonna pop the trunk right quick. Shit, hold on, boy. Hey, you can trust people, CEEFAM, but you gotta verify, man. I learned that in the military. Trust, but verify, bro. Person tell y'all that something done, hey, trust them. But you gotta verify that thing. So I got all 4 of my stocks. That's too easy. Close that boy up. Ha. And then, yeah, just keep walking around, man. Really just want to look at the wheels. The wheels are probably, I'm not going to say the most important, but yeah, everything else, man, is, you know, and like, it's kind of hard, CEEFAM, to really judge if the car is in great condition, because obviously it came all the way from Illinois, right, to California. So you're going to get your bug juices on there. You're going to get your, you know what I mean, mosquito juices on there. So, but as of right now, it looked pretty decent. You know, I'm gonna have to get it detailed and washed to really see that thing. But yeah, everything looked good. Come on, man. I know these boys don't spin, but that's all right, man. Got the 4Gs on there. But yeah, sheesh, my boy doing his inspection, man. So yes, sir, bro. We outside, man. You boys see Will, man. CEEFAM, 32 gang. We outside, baby. Don't play with it. My boy taking them pit. See, thorough, man. That's what I'm talking about. Thorough, my boy. Man, like I said, bro, it's 2 a.m., y'all. I cannot make this up, bro. 2 a.m., it's about 46 degrees where I'm at right now. So, yeah, man, it's a blessing, bro. Definitely got to wash this boy, get it detailed, something, CEEFAM, because, yeah, this boy, dusty. But it's all right, though. It's all right. You know, I'm going to see how this boy drive. I might let my wife drive this bit back. You know, I might. But, yeah. Because, yeah, we used to have a regular Cherokee, man. It wasn't the Grand Cherokee, though. So, yeah, this boy, crazy work, man. It's a blessing, man. Still don't feel real, y'all, at all. But we here, man, so. Man, y'all see what I'm talking about whenever it come down to these big rims, CEEFAM? See that? Service tire air pressure system. Service your TPMs, man. TPMS, whatever y'all want to call it, bro. See? This is why I don't like big wheels, but it's okay. We got the stocks, and I really might sell the wheels too, bro. But right now, I'm about to get my wife reaction, bro. This is her first time really seeing it, so I'm about to ask her to step out, CEEFAM. We're going to see what she think, you know? So let's see. Come up. I want to see what she feel, or how she feel about it, man. Well, CEEFAM, never mind. You know, my wife actually hit me up and was like, hey, the baby's up now, right? So time to go home. So with that being said, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna continue this video, CEEFAM, till the morning time, right? Whenever she actually gets to see it, because in our neighborhood it's pretty dark. You know what I mean, y'all? So I don't know if she's gonna be able to really see it until the morning time anyways, to be honest. you know, but yeah, I mean, I'll see. I'm gonna have to see if we can get her reaction to it, man, or not. But yeah, I definitely want to get my first driving video in for sure. But yeah, and now it's this thing right here. Look at this. See, all 4 of the tires, bro. So yeah, like I said, bro, having 6s is cool, y'all, but it be all kind of problems that come with having 6s, bro. Now it's saying all 4 of my tires is bad. So yeah, I really might sell these, man, and then put the stocks on, CEEFAM. But yeah, dog, I'm a fan of big wheels, bro, but the biggest I'd probably go in the car, bro, is like 22s or 24s, man. I'm not the 26s or even the 32 type, you know what I mean? I'm not saying 32 type, I'm just saying like putting 32s on my car, bro. Like, I just don't want to have to worry about, man, I don't know, you know, different strokes for different folks though, y'all, you know what I mean? Some people, man, shit, I mean, it looked good, don't get me wrong, it looked good whenever it fit right and whenever everything go how it's supposed to go, and you don't got to put air in your tire every 2 days. Cool. But yeah, for me, man, like for example, on my Hellcat, I have 22s. You know what I mean? And the tire is thick enough for me to not have to put air in my tire every day. You know what I mean, y'all? So, yeah. But yeah, honestly, I really might end this video. I don't know yet, man, but I'm gonna catch on a little bit though. See, fam. So at the gas station right now, bro, all I'm really trying to do is just put air in all these damn tires, bro, just to see if, I don't know, if it's just these tire pressure monitor systems that's messed up, or if it's just, man, I don't know, because I'm looking at all these right now and these boys don't even have like the little screw cap on them, you know? So yeah, I don't know if air just continuously coming out but they don't have the cap or what, but I'm gonna show y'all right quick. So if y'all looking, right, this boy right here, right, it have no cap on it. So what I mean by that, it's supposed to have like a little black cap or something like that to keep the air from coming out, right? So this one right here, I put what, 36 PSI in it, you know, 36. So I'm about to see if that does anything, man, or not, but I don't know. All right, CEEFAM, so I ended up putting, man, air in all 4 tires, and bruh, it gotta be these damn tire pressure monitor systems. I don't know if like CJ just didn't put none in the car, but at first only 1 tire was like reading 30 PSI, right? So like I said, I don't know if these things even got, you know what I mean, bro? Somebody educate me more on man, because I mean, it was reading 1, and then as I started driving, it stopped reading all of them. But like I said, I put air in all of them, CEEFAM, so I don't know what the confusion is or anything like that, you know what I mean, bro? So yeah, finna head home, y'all. Shit, it's 2:30 as we speak, bro. You know what I mean? And cops be out here, boy, especially on base. They be outside, boy. God, they be outside for no reason trying to hem people up. So, man, them boys see me outside driving at 2:30 in the morning with a whole tracky track. You heard me? Man, them boys might try to be on me, dog. So, yeah, with the gold wheels too, yeah, they might try to be on me, man. So, yeah. Hey, I will holler at y'all on the next video, CEEFAM. Just wanted y'all to see me taking delivery of it, man, for the first time in California, y'all. So look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. We reached our goal, bro, of 10K. So thank y'all so much for that, CEEFAM. Thank y'all, 32 gang. Thank everybody who support me, man. And yeah, holler at y'all boys on the next one, man. Let's get to it.